What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to print a nozzle test check page on your Epson EcoTank printer. Now the first thing you need guys is some paper in the back of your printer, and you will need a little bit of ink in your ink tanks, not much at all, just to facilitate the printing and make sure that you get an accurate nozzle check test page. Now what this does guys is that this will check your print nozzles to make sure that there are no clogs or any anything like that. Make sure that everything's running smoothly. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. So you want some paper in the back of your printer and a little bit of ink. So to do that guys, we want to press the home button on our EcoTank, and we want to scroll along to maintenance, and then just go here to nozzle check, press OK, and then press this button to print. Now guys, I'm going to show you what to look out for as well in a nozzle check. So if you do have any issues or you find anything wrong with your printer through this, I'm going to direct you guys to a video down below where I show you guys how to run kind of maintenance on your printer, do some cleaning processes, and make sure to fix anything that's wrong with your print nozzles. So as you can see guys, it's coming out right now, and it might look a little bit confusing at first, but it's actually really simple. The only thing you want to focus on guys is this in the top left. Now this is your nozzle test check page. So what you are looking out for guys is any breaks or gaps in the lines, like here for example. So this is a gap in the line, and this is showing us that there is a slight clog in one of the print heads. Now it's not that extreme, this is a really minor one. To be honest, I honestly think that this would just be from maybe just a little printer error. I don't actually think this would probably need a head cleaning, but if you have more breaks in the lines guys, then you will need to run a maintenance head cleaning on your printer. So I do have a guide down below on exactly how to do that. I show you what to do, like how to do it properly, make sure you don't damage your printer whilst doing it, all of those things. But yeah, make sure to check this properly guys. This is basically a perfect example. If there are any breaks or fading in the lines, then check out the video down below. But that's it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching. If this did help, make sure to like and subscribe. That would help us out so much. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.